guys! Welcome back to the channel. Today is Vlogmas number 2. It's number 4. It's number 2. I'm with my daughter,
Katie!
Didn't really do much today. Sa bahay lang kami. Ang inisip namin is to share Christmas ornaments kasi yearly nag-start kami na gawin to 2014. So I thought of sharing a DIY how to make your own Christmas ornaments. We published our first Vlogmas number 1 kanina lang. So if you have time, please watch it also. So each Christmas ornaments ay may story. So let me just share with you stories of our Christmas ornaments.
This is 2014.
We started making our personalized Christmas ornaments from recycled materials noong 2014. Sabi ko nga, each Christmas ornaments ay may story. So, kasi may time na si Pat na noong 2014, sobrang nahilig siya talaga sa clam.
Oyster? Mussel? Is it a clam?
Yeah, it's clam. So, ang dami ko naipon nun. So, sabi ko, parang ang cute niya gawing clam angels. Yan. So, that's the story.
There's a green one and a red one.
Yan. And then, that's 2014. Noong 2015, si Katie, she started going to school, to the big school. Nag-nursery siya, and they made
Rudolph the Red-Nosed
reindeer from popsicle sticks. So, sabi ko, ang cute! So, ginawa namin siya, ni-recreate namin siya dito. And, yan ang kinalabasan. So, that is, that's from 2015. Tapos, in 2016, this is.
Yeah.
2016. So, this is, from pistachio. Yung shell ng pistachio.
I love pistachio.
Yeah, sila ni Pat, mahilig sa pistachio. So, yun, gumawa lang kami ng flower. And yun, pinapatong lang namin siya dun sa mga leaf ng Christmas tree.
Guys, pistachio is one of my favorite ones. With hazelnut with chocolate. Nutella is my favorite.
2017, ang dami kong toothpick.
You mean?
Marami akong toothpick pero hindi naman siya gamit. Tapos hindi rin naman siya namin ginagamit dito sa bahay. I think bumili lang ako niyan kasi parang ginamit ko for my baking tapos hindi na nagamit ulit. So, syempre, kesa sira, sabi ko, gawin na lang namin snowflakes. So, yeah.
It's, pink, yellow, and purple. The pink is the base.
Meron
It's
siya mga
speckle
na may speckle siya ng purple and yellow. Tapos yan. And then, noong 2018, wala lang dito, but I'll show you a clip. It's kasi syempre, over time, naiipon yung mga small na, what do you call that? Yung small plastic containers that for the vitamins and for the mga gamot. Ang dami. So, I decided to recreate like a small,
tiny
Russian doll.
Mommy.
And si Katie yung pinag-design ko ng mga eyes and things. We also use yung coffee pods. So, magkapatong siya para siyang mga dolls. So, mamaya we'll show a clip of that one.
Yeah, later.
So, ngayong 2019, this one!
Oh, hallelujah!
This one is inspired by my Achi Pia, or si Achi Pia, siya yung cousin ni Pat. Yeah, hi Achi Pia, if you're watching. Thank you. This is inspired by you. So, ito, nagtanong kasi siya sa akin sa DM sa Instagram. Please follow me guys on Instagram.
It's FaithyOch.
Meron siyang sinend sa akin na sabi niya, saan makakabili ng ganito? And I thought, why not recreate? Ito, as in 100% recycled, upcycled, kasi lahat ng ginamit namin dito, makikita siya sa bahay. So the materials needed are cardboard, and gagawa lang kayo ng template ng 6 boxes na yung 6 boxes na equal sizes or rectangles for the shapes. Siya yung magiging kaha. And then, you need tape. You need old or not used na
Paper
bags, but
Or
I'm sure marami kayong mga art papers or construction papers or mga pad papers na pinagdududo lang ng mga kids ninyo na ayaw nilang ipatapon, like this girl. So, you can use that one as well.
or newspaper.
And mga yarns or mga tali-tali, you can use that, guys. Of course, you need ruler and this one.
Guys, I need to tell you something. All of these stuffed toys behind us, Mama, can you show them this time? All of these are mine. And this is new. Panda Express.
Okay, so first, nag-shape na ako ng template. So, gugupitan lang natin. Actually, si KD, yung gumawa ng, she helped me make the others. I think she made 2 of the...
I think I made 3, Mom.
Yeah, more than.
We also need box cutters. Ask your parents for help, kids.
Yes.
This is alone.
Yes. You need a that we made. Kasi diba parang cute, meron siyang, yung uneven yung size niya. And we chose blue kasi nga, color of the year is blue. So, this one is our 2019 Christmas ornaments. Ang dali, diba? So, wala kaming ginastos. Everything is recycled and upcycled. Nakakatuwa kasi meron siyang story behind every ornaments that we do. Guys, we hope that you enjoyed our how to make your DIY Christmas present ornament.
AKA Vlogmas number 2!
Okay, we hope that you enjoyed our video, and please also watch our Vlogmas number 1 and also our other vlogs. And if you enjoyed our video, please give it a
Like and
subscribe. And until my next story or our next vlog, be kind and don't forget to work out.
Peace out!
Bye!